In X-ray units, like in any other high-voltage equipment, there is a need for efficient cooling and electrical insulation. For this purpose, transformer oil is used inside the X-ray generator. It absorbs the heat generated during the tube operation and prevents breakdowns between high-voltage elements. Thus, oil is of critical importance to stable and safe operation of X-ray equipment. The volume of oil may decrease as time goes by. The reasons for this may vary to a great extent. These include natural evaporation during heating, micro damage to seals, and oil degradation. As a result, the oil level drops, the operating temperature rises, the cooling efficiency decreases, and there is a risk of machine failure. Manufacturers of X-ray equipment provide for periodic maintenance, which includes transformer oil level checks and top-ups. This is done approximately once every 6 to 12 months, depending on the operation rate. A number of key conditions should be met to ensure proper top-up of oil. The oil shall not come into contact with air and shall not contain moisture or gases that could adversely affect the operation of high-voltage elements. In view of the above, GlobeCore professionals have developed a technology for top-up of oil in X-ray systems, which is implemented with the use of UVD machines. A UVD machine is a mobile compact unit, which consists of a vacuum section, a top-up section, and a vacuum pump. The oil filled into the machine first undergoes degassing, which means dissolved gas and moisture removal in a vacuum medium. This ensures maximum purity and stable characteristics of oil. Next, the oil flows to the sealed top-up section, from which it is easily fed into an X-ray unit. The actual top-up procedure is very simple and fully controlled. Owing to a manual piston arrangement, the user holds full control over the oil feed rate and volume. When required, the top-up section can be easily detached from the machine skid and moved directly to the site, if this site operates in confined space or features hard-to-access components. A UVD machine comprises ease of use, reliability, and high quality of oil processing. No complex software or special training is required, everything is intuitive and mechanically reliable. Due to its mobility, a UVD machine can be used in both large medical centers and mobile X-ray facilities. The use of GlobeCore UVD machine extends the service life of X-ray equipment, ensures its stability, and reduces the risk of alarm conditions. This solution is based on many years of the company's experience in transformer oil processing and adapted to modern medical equipment needs. And what methods do you use to top up insulating oil in X-ray units? Share your experience in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for insulating oil top-up in X-ray generators can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.